Looking for the best HDMI digital microscope in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best HDMI digital microscope available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The HAVE 1200X HDMI digital microscope is a versatile and user-friendly tool ideal for soldering, electronics repair, and detailed inspection work. Featuring a crisp 7-inch IPS screen, it delivers clear, vibrant images with wide viewing angles. The 16MP camera ensures sharp image capture, while the 1200X magnification reveals fine details with ease. Its 10 adjustable LED lights provide excellent illumination, even in low-light conditions. The HDMI and PC connectivity options allow for larger display viewing and easy data sharing. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient microscope suitable for both professionals and hobbyists seeking precision and convenience. Number 4. The HAVE 10.1-foot HDMI digital microscope is a powerful and modern inspection tool designed for precision tasks like soldering, coin analysis, and electronics repair. Its large 10.1-inch IPS display delivers sharp, vivid visuals with wide viewing angles, making long sessions more comfortable. The 20MP camera captures highly detailed images, while the claimed 2000x magnification allows close-up observation of fine structures, though practical clarity is strongest at lower ranges. Equipped with 10 adjustable LEDs, it ensures proper lighting in all conditions. HDMI and PC/TV compatibility add flexibility, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 3. The Tomlov 4K Autofocus Microscope TM4K-AF is a premium digital microscope designed for precision electronic repair and soldering tasks. Its large 10.1-inch display delivers crisp 4K resolution, producing sharp, highly detailed visuals that reduce eye strain during extended use. The standout autofocus feature quickly adjusts clarity, saving time and improving workflow efficiency. Bright, adjustable LED lighting ensures excellent visibility of small components and circuit boards. With HDMI output, users can easily connect to larger screens for better viewing. Overall, it's a powerful, convenient, and reliable tool ideal for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Number 2. The Eleclif EM4K 4K HDMI digital microscope is a powerful and versatile tool designed for electronics repair and PCB inspection. Featuring an 8-inch IPS display and up to 2000x magnification, it delivers sharp, detailed visuals ideal for precision work. The 4K video and high-resolution imaging ensure excellent clarity, while adjustable LED lighting improves visibility in different conditions. Its sturdy 10-inch stand provides stability during soldering tasks. HDMI and USB connectivity allow easy connection to PC or TV for larger viewing. While focusing at extreme magnification can be tricky, it remains a reliable, high-performance microscope for professionals and hobbyists. Number 1. The Eleclif EM4K-AF Autofocus 4K digital microscope is a high-performance tool built for precision electronics repair and detailed inspection. It features stunning 4K video and high-resolution imaging, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals on its 8-inch IPS screen. The standout autofocus system uses advanced sensors to quickly adjust clarity, making it faster and easier to work without constant manual tuning. With up to 2000x magnification and a sturdy 10-inch stand, it provides excellent stability for soldering tasks. HDMI and USB connectivity add versatility, making it a reliable and efficient microscope for professionals and serious hobbyists.